Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Chok Wangun Hatche or sun-dried brinjal or eggplant. Chok means sour in Kashmiri. These brinjals are cooked in a very unique way in Kashmiri cuisine. The deep fried brinjals are chiseled with Kashmiri spices and run by tamarind water. These are very unique in taste and very appetizing and tangy. These hot and tangy brinjal or eggplant taste marvelous. So let's get started. For making this dish, I have taken around 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 black cardamoms, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, and a few cloves. And I have taken 1 mini wort that I have already shown you the recipe. Here you can see it's a small Kashmiri spice cake, and around 2 tablespoons of tamarind, and brinjals, sun-dried brinjals or eggplant. Here you can see these are very famous in Kashmiri cuisine for winter. And oil, I have taken around 1 cup. So here I start with soaking wort or Kashmiri spice cake in warm water, and tamarind also. You can see I have soaked them in water. I did washed sun-dried brinjals in boiling water, and we have to boil them on high flame for around 5 minutes. But they should not become too soft in this. So for 5 minutes on high flame we'll boil them, and then we have to discard this water and we'll squeeze out the extra water. Now I have heated up enough oil, then I have added these squeezed boiled sun-dried brinjal or eggplant. So here you can see we have to deep fry them. Here we have to be a little generous with oil, but we won't be using this whole oil, we'll just use it for frying. So here you can see we have to fry them on both the sides, deep fry all the brinjals, and we don't have to overcrowd the pan as you can see in this video. And same way we will fry all the brinjals. Here is the soaked wort, you can see. Now I have heated up around 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll be adding whole spices to it. Black cardamom, green cardamom, cumin seeds, and cinnamon sticks, cloves. We'll saute them properly. Then I'll be adding spices, ginger powder, coriander powder, fennel seed powder, and then I'm adding wort mix. Here you can see. And then I'll be adding chili powder. So if you add the chili powder only, then it tends to burn. So with wort, we'll mix it properly. And here I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder too that I have not shown earlier, and then I'll be adding tamarind water. That's the main ingredient in this curry because that gives the tangy taste. Here I have squeezed out the water from tamarind, and I'll be using that. It's around a cup of tamarind water. This will give the tangy taste. And you can adjust spices according to your taste, and salt also you can adjust according to your taste. I'm adding salt here too, and then I'll be adding fried sun-dried brinjals. And here we will adjust the gravy because we are yet to cook them, and they should coat all the brinjals properly. The gravy should coat all the brinjals properly so that they will get cooked properly. So for that I'm adding 1 cup of water here. Then I will cover it and let it cook on low flame for around 15 minutes. After cooking 15 minutes on low flame, here I'll check, and at this stage we'll check the softness of brinjal too. The brinjal should not fall off the stem, but it should be cooked properly. All the flavors should be there in the brinjal. So I'll check here. So here you can see it is soft. So here I'll keep it on high flame till gravy is absorbed more, because this dish doesn't have a lot of gravy. Now after around 5 minutes on low flame, here you can see at this stage I'll turn off the flame, and these are ready to be served. In Kashmir we serve these with rice, but these can be cherished equally with roti or naan. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.